Spending on healthcare in the United States is projected to follow the exponential function h of t equals 2.37 times 1.076 to the t power, where h is the spending in trillions of dollars and t is the number of years after 2008. And we were asked several questions about this. The first one is, find the spending on healthcare in 2012. We first need to decide what t represents. In 2012, t will be the number of years since 2008, which is 2012, minus 2008, which is 4. So what we want to find is h of 4. Now let's copy what h of t is. H of t is 2.37 times 1.076 to the t power, so h of 4 is 2.37 times 1.076 to the 4th power, which if we use a calculator and round is approximately 3.18, and it's in trillions of dollars. The second question we're asked, in what year will spending on health care reach $5 trillion? Well, h of t is in trillions of dollars, so we would let 5 be h of t. And let's write our expression again. H of t is 2.37 times 1.076 to the tth power. So we substitute 5 for this because we're not looking, 5 isn't the year, it's the spending on health care. 5 equals 2.37 times 1.076 to the tth power, and we need to solve for t. We're going to eventually use logarithms, but the first thing we'll do is divide both sides by 2.37. We have 5 divided by 2.37 equals 1.076 to the tth power, and now we use logarithms. The log of 5 over 2.37 equals the log of 1.076 to the tth power. And now we can bring the t down. That's the value of the logarithm. We have the log of 5 divided by 2.37 equals t times the log of 1.076. So to solve for t, we divide both sides by the log of 1.076. And getting a piece of paper where there's enough room to write that, that would be the log of 5 divided by 2.37 all over the log of 1.076 would equal t. And notice up to this point I've done no approximation. Now I use a calculator and approximate, and I get that t is approximately equal to 10. So spending on health care will be $5 trillion about 10 years after 2008 or in 2018. Now we're also asked what the doubling time is. What is the doubling time of health care spending? Well, the doubling time is how much it costs to spend twice as much as we had spent before. At time 0, we're looking at, it would be 2.37. So whenever the doubling time is, we will spend twice 2.37 trillion, which is 4.74 trillion. This then is the amount that gets substituted for h of t. Again, let's rewrite h of t. H of t is 2.37 times 1.076 to the tth power. So substituting, we get 4.74 equals 2.37 times 1.076 to the tth power. Dividing both things by 2.37, we get 2 equals 1.076 to the tth power. Now we take logarithms. The log of 2 equals the log of 1.076t, and this can be written now as t times the log of 1.076. So to solve for t, we divide both sides of the equation by the log of 1.076. I think I have room over here to write. We'd have log 2 divided by log of 1.076 equals t. And now as my final step, I approximate. T is approximately equal to 9.5. So the doubling time of healthcare spending is approximately 9.5 years.